DCR-480 Setup Guide Part 2. First, unpack the light arm. Hold the balance arm and slowly pull out the swing arm. Caution! Spring tension is strong. Never release quickly to avoid injury. Take out the data and power cables, then bundle and organize them neatly. Check column, longer screw spacing end, trolley, shorter end, light arm. Thread the HDMI and power cables from the top of the column. Lift assembly insert cables through flange hole. Mount column and light arm to flange. Lower the light arm and remove both side covers. Align the screw holes on the light head and secure it. Connect power cable, mind the clip, install correctly, thread the cables into the light arm. Loosen retainer end, insert cover and plastic component. Connect the HDMI cable. Then reassemble and tighten. Put it back into the light arm groove. Reattach the covers, ensuring the up arrow faces upward, and gently snap them into place. Fix the column. Make sure the screw holes here match black power port. Align the column holes, then fasten the bottom screws first, followed by the top screws. Assemble monitor stand. First, check the accessories and secure the base screws. Slide on the plastic pads. Place the stand on the trolley. Open the trolley door and tighten the fixings from inside. Attach the monitor's backplate mounting clips. Ensure the up mark faces upward. Tighten the four corner screws. Align and snap the monitor onto the stand. Unscrew and remove the plastic cover here. Route monitor HDMI cable through opening, plug in. Leave some slack for easy monitor adjustment. Next, locate the recording box, splitter, and HDMI cables in the light heads box. Splitter, 1 HDMI input, 4 outputs monitors, PCs, TVs, projectors. If only the trolley's monitor is needed. Skip the splitter. Connect the camera's HDMI directly to the recording boxes in port. Connect the light head's power cable, AC, so polarity doesn't matter. Using quick connect terminals. Plug the camera's signal cable into the splitters in port. Power the splitter. Bundle excess cables. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into the splitter's out port and the other into the recording boxes in port. Connect the monitor's HDMI to the recording box's out port. The recording box has 2 power cables. Manage excess length. Plug the Type-C into the circuit board's Type-C port. Connect the recording box's power cable to its port. Place the recording box and splitter inside the trolley. Plug in the power cord. Next, connect the monitor stand's USB cable. Once plugged in, the stand's USB ports will be functional. The 2 audio cables are for microphones. If needed, plug them into the recording box's audio ports. Otherwise, store them neatly. After completing all internal wiring, plug in the external power cable and the system is ready for use. Wishing you a pleasant experience.